Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix some of your games. Maybe you're running like a PlayStation 4 version of a game, and it just looks like it's super dark, and the color is just off. Well, this could be because your PlayStation 5 is applying HDR over the top of the game, even though it doesn't support HDR. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and select Settings, and then scroll on down to Screen and Video. Then under Video Output, let's go to the right. Scroll on down under here, and then there is an option for HDR. Yours might be selected Always On. So if you have Always On, it's applying HDR over the top of a game that doesn't have it, and that's why you're getting these blacks and dark colors that look completely off. So what we want to do is go to On when supported, and switch this over, and then we can go to Adjust HDR. And then we can set this up and run it through this little graph right here, where we just need to adjust the D-pad up and down until we can barely see the symbol in here, and then we should be good to go with an accurate color. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.